Hello, my name is Erica Slayton with Wellek and Volk Mortgage, and today we're going to be talking about the newest tax credit that is headed your way in July of 2021, right around the corner. So let's get going on this one because I'm sure that you would like another, I don't know, 250, 300, 500, 600, $1,000 a month coming into your household, depending on how many children you have, of course, and what your income limits are. So that's two parts of the sweet child of mine, as we like to call it, tax credit that's coming soon. It is part of the 1.9 trillion, that's trillion with a T, American Rescue Plan Act that was just signed into law back in March of 2021. The IRS is preparing to launch a portal for this tax credit, and it does start coming out to you in mid-July of 2021. Per the new law, families with children that are ages 6 to 17 will earn an annual benefit of $3,000 for each child. And then anyone that has kids under the age of 6 will get $3,600, at least for the 2021 tax year. Now, full credit is available to families with qualifying children and an adjusted gross income of less than $75,000 if you're single, or $150,000 if you're married, filing jointly. This will gradually reduce for individuals who earn more than that and cease for those who earn $95,000 single and $170,000 married, filing jointly. So obviously your income impacts how much you're going to get. And it does adjust basically for every $1,000 you make over that lower income threshold, you get $50 per kid less. However, I am going to post a calculator for you because this is quite confusing, as all tax law can be. Ages 0 to 5, just to recap really quick, are $3,600 each. 6 to 17 are $3,000 each. And then if you have a kid that's kid or kids ages 18, you get a one-time payment of $500. Now, if they're 18 to 24 and full-time in college, you also get a $500 one-time payment. The payments are scheduled to be dispersed to those individuals and families who filed a 2020 tax return, and it's going to be coming to you monthly. As I mentioned, it starts in July, continuing all the way until December. So what's going to happen is you're going to get monthly payments of either $250 or $300, depending on your income, for kids under the age of 6. And then you would get the remaining amount in April of 2022, as long as you have filed your 2021 tax return. So the moral of that story is file early. Don't file an extension and file late. Here's an example for you. If you're single, you have one 5-year-old child, and you make under $75,000 per year, you will get $1,800 in monthly payments between July and December. That's $300 a month. And then next year in 2022, you would get the remaining lump of $1,800 after you file your tax return. Another example is that you're married and y'all make under $150,000. Let's say you have one kid under 5 and one kid over 6, just to spread it out a little bit and make it different, but no 18-year-olds. You would get $550 per month until December, and then another $3,300 once you file your return in 2022 for the tax year of 2021. Now, you might be asking to yourself, well, what if I want to wait and not get any monthly income, any monthly checks from the IRS from July to December, and I just want all of it in April of 2022? You can certainly do that if you want to. You can opt out in the IRS portal, which is in the works right now, and there's no links currently available. I will post the links though on my Facebook page over at facebook.com/Slayton Lending. I will be sure to post that in the description box below too, so you can just quickly go there when you're ready and you can like my page and then watch for it. Most people don't need to opt out. I mean, why would you? You want the monthly income coming in anyway. However, if there are circumstances that are changing and you don't want to update your information on the portal for the IRS, then don't do that. And then, of course, the next thing is some people might be asking, well, I don't have to file taxes. How can I get my funds? You don't have to file taxes if you have taxable or non-taxable income, such as disability pay if you're a veteran, or, for example, you're on Social Security and you're at a certain threshold and you don't have to file. There will be another portal, so there's going to be a total of 2, open to you also on July 1st. That is actually the deadline that the IRS was given by Congress and the Senate to have these websites available for us to be able to go in and update our information or mark and verify our eligibility if you don't have to file. Then you would start getting your payments shortly thereafter. Now, again, July 1st is the deadline for the IRS to open those portals. And once they do, I will post them over on my Facebook page. Now, this can all be extremely confusing, obviously, when you're talking about numbers and kids and income and whatnot. So do you want to enter your specifics into a calculator and then just have it spit out to you what your monthly income and what your big fat check's going to be next year? I'm going to share that in the link below for you too, because it's really fancy. It's very easy to enter your basics in there, and then you'll find out what your details are. And of course, like in all things in life, there are pros and there are cons. And the con and downside to this tax credit and the monthly income and then the lump sum you'll be getting next year is inflation. If you haven't seen my video on that, I will also post it down below too for you, because inflation rears its ugly head when we are printing money like nobody's business. So be careful, my friends. Watch out for that, because things are going to cost more money when you do this kind of stuff. So while it does feel good in your pocketbook and it is going to help offset some of those inflationary pressures you're going to feel, it does tend to cause that. So that being said, I hope that this video proved useful for you. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to share this to your friends and family, because I'm sure that they would like to know about this as well. And definitely go over to my Facebook page if you would, facebook.com/SlaytonLending, again, in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and make it a great one.